Oh. Oh gosh. What's up?
What's messed up?
This ignition coil. Oh, jeez.
The what?
Ignition coil.
Hard to get to?
Not easy. It's the one of the back ones.
Oh.
It's actually not the worst, but the thing's sliding out from underneath my feet sucks. I just can't see.
Does that help?
Yeah, you wanna hold this light?
Sure.
Okay. Can you get on this other side of me? Or maybe you can do. I don't want to block the camera shot, but see if you can shine it on that part right here.
Want to know what my nickname at school is?
What?
Nicole Ballas.
What? Nicole?
It's a character in a show that Mr. Marshall and his daughter watch. And his daughter gave me the nickname.
Oh gosh.
She's my age. In my class. And, I like the nickname. It's super cool because
You can put a foot behind that for me.
the character is a dragon that destroys worlds or something like that.
Oh yeah?
Galaxies or worlds or something like that. Why is that color glow red?
Why is what?
This thing.
It's got fluid in it. Alright, I got both plugs loose.
Is that
Where'd my
good?
rims go? Ah, dang.
Off my foot in the other corner.
Is it close to the car?
Yeah.
Okay. No, try not to block the camera shot, baby. Try to keep it on the... Yeah. You want to be a mechanic for a living?
No.
Me neither.
Body shop worker, rather.
I like body shopping better than mechanicing.
My classmate wants to be a mechanic.
Yeah. But it's good to know how to do this kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So you can work on your own cars. Ow. Let's see if I can move this out of the way a little bit. There's light. There we go.
Some point fell.
It's just a piece of plastic. Oh.
How long will this take you?
I just got 2 bolts.
Okay.
Not long at all. What?
So I can leave. I'm taking a break from homework for now.
You are.
I'm starting to get a headache. And it's just math. Got 1 bolt.
This one. Take it way easier.
There's a yellow jacket or a blue or something. It's right there.
Oh, they're. Well, we aren't messing with them. They'll leave us alone.
But red wasps still attack.
Oh yeah, red wasp will get you, man. Be minding your own business. They get all up in your business. Do this as long as it's got enough tension to ratchet, make a ratchet noise. But once it stops, it stopped a while back. I couldn't tell. Usually it will stop ratcheting. And that little piece comes off.
You done?
I gotta put the new one on. Look at that.
Is that supposed to look like that?
Yep.
Then what was wrong?
Something broke on it internally. But I don't know what.
We'll smash it, see what comes out. Can I have it?
Let's do it right there for now. Look at this real quick. Make Make sure you're not blocking the camera shot. You don't want to hold it anymore?
Really? Stick it right here. Just straight in there.
Okay. Get it back in there. Drop it. Get it on my...
Go PJJ.
Hold on, baby. No, baby. I need to take these clothes off. Don't worry about it. You're just trying to find the bolt hole. You didn't bump that camera, have you? Is it shining on my hands right now?
Yeah, straight in the middle of it. I bumped it a little bit, but I think it pushed it in a better spot. Or it just didn't move. Isn't it hot?
No, the engine's cool for the most part.
What if you touch the battery with no glove?
It's not hot.
Aren't those like thermal gloves?
These are welding gloves, yeah. I like wearing gloves because you can get a little bit more crazy. Don't worry about scratching yourself.
Are you screwing it in?
Mm-hmm. Righty tighty. Can you see the bolt going in?
No, I can't see. There's a big metal pipe. It's not a football game.
Probably.
There's a spider that was moving across, and then I shone the light on it and it froze.
Did it?
Yeah. Flattens on it purposely.
What?
Purposely flattens itself.
Just come over here, dadgummit. Jason, go in the house, buddy.
He's getting involved.
Ugh. That's good stuff.
Well, now I have my elbow on. Again.
Do what?
Is this the air compressor thing?
This is a spark plug ignition plug.
The thing I'm on.
This is the
My
air
elbow.
box, yeah.
Go in the driveway.
What?
Go to the driveway.
What?
Go through the driveway.
What? In the driveway?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to.
That's hard.
I feel bad for the people all the way out there,
Where?
like right by the stadium.
Oh, I know. It's probably pretty loud, isn't it?
Hmm. Especially at night, since they're always at night. That way.
Want to play with me?
When Dad's done.
Okay.
There. Don't bump it, Dad.
Okay.
You throw it, and I'll take it.
Alright, here we go. See how this works.